In 1853, Commodore Matthew C. Perry arrived in Japan. A year later, Perry returned and threatening large warships with the aspiration of concluding a treaty that would open up Japanese ports for trade. Perry concluded the treaty that would open up 2 Japanese ports, Shimoda and Hakodate, only for material support, such as firewood, water, food, and coal for U.S. ships. The Convention of Kanagawa was signed in 1854 and opened up trade between the United States and Japan. Later, Japan reluctantly expanded its trade deals to France, Britain, the Netherlands, and Russia due to American pressure. These treaties signed with Western powers came to be known as unequal treaties as Japan lost control over its tariffs while Western powers took control over Japanese lands. In 1858, Townsend Harris, ambassador to Japan, concluded the treaty, opening Japanese ports to trade.